We're off to Melbourne for the Easter holiday, our second time. Last trip, we missed the Great Ocean Road, thanks to the heavy traffic in Lorne. First stop, Peasant's Nest. Time to grab some lunch and recharge. Next, Bookham. Just a quick stretch and toilet break. And of course, Daddy John's legendary bush toilet stop somewhere in Tarcutta. Classic. Before reaching Wodonga, we caught this amazing sunset. It reminded us how beautiful life is when you slow down and enjoy the simple moments. Stay tuned. Great Ocean Road, here we come!